Right, so I'm waiting for the rings to arrive for the battery pod caps. That's what I want to start on next, to get the battery pods made. But in the meantime, while they're arriving, I might as well make a start on machining some things. So I'm just checking out what I've actually got in stock. And I've got two 5/16 barrel penetrators. So I've got two of them already. I've got a chunk of 316L, which is 1.25 inches. To make some of those up more out of, I'm going to need I'm going to need for at least 6, so I've got plenty more to make. I've got a couple of penetrators for the valves, if I do the vent valves the same as Jodie B, which I probably won't, but I've got one made and one sort of half made. And I've also got a 4-hole blue globe penetrator somewhere, but it's just disappeared off the face of the earth. And it's really annoying, and I'm now at the stage where I'm looking in all the places that I've already looked. So anyway, I've got this piece of 316L to machine up another one of those, but I think what I'm going to do today is make a start on these viewports because they're a bit of a slog to do. The wretched coolant pump has broken on the lathe. I can tell it's got power, because it's got hot, but it's not pumping. So I'm gonna have to mess around getting that fixed now. I'm not spinning the lathe round because it's all trammed in, so I'm gonna have to get it from here. This is an extremely unpleasant job. There we are, cleaned pump and fresh coolant. It's a stainless steel tank I made a while back actually, because the old one rotted away. Well, after all that, surely I must deserve a cup of tea. I suppose I'd better test it actually. Working. Don't remember it making that noise before. Maybe it's just like really happy that it's clean. This is just a reconnaissance pass really. Oops. Around there. Obviously it came off. Right, let's try this. I've got it held from the outside, so if I turn about, well, most of the way down to there, and then I can flick it over, get a good grip, finish that bit off, do the inside, hold it on the inside and take it down to final dimension. That's my plan for now. Plenty to go off this yet. So I sort of feel as if I haven't really achieved that much today, what with that interlude with the coolant pump. And I haven't got any way of accurately measuring this. I'll have to get something or borrow something. All right, shall we go then? Shall we go to the beach?